Hi everyone and welcome to week 10 of Writing 111. I hope you all had a beautiful sunny spring break. I got to ski in the sunshine with my son and our best friends the first half of spring break, and then I spent Thursday and Friday getting all caught up with grading for this class. So if you think you have submitted something that I have not responded to yet, unless you turned it in like this morning, be sure to reach out to me soon and make sure that there wasn't some kind of an error with your submission. So we are moving right along. Most of you submitted a draft to me. If you have not and you want to participate in the peer review, I need it by tomorrow because I need time to read it before the peer review begins in class on Wednesday. So Wednesday, we will begin the peer review in class. Oh, I have these upside down. So this week in terms of media, you should be reading independently for your paper. I'm not going to give you extra reading this week. You should be reading source material, scholarly source material, seeking out local source material that should be guiding your paper. I've included some instructions here that will follow for the peer review when it begins in class on Wednesday. And you can find that assignment here. The final draft of your rhetorical analysis is due on the 28th, which is next Tuesday. Next week on the 29th, for those of you who come face-to-face, we'll be meeting in the consortium library, which is one of my favorite spaces on campus. If you're someone who's in town, this is a good class to come to because it gets you in the library and you get to walk around and see a lot of the beautiful spaces that are in there. If you're coming digitally, that's fine too, and I'll have you in the classroom via Google Meet just like always, and you'll get to meet our rock star librarian, Deb Mole, who's going to give us all kinds of tips and tricks for finding great source material for your research paper. But we don't need to talk about that until you finish up your rhetorical analysis. So I'll be in my regular office hours as usual this week. If you'd like to talk but can't make it, just let me know some times that work for you and I'll try to make it happen. I look forward to seeing you all in class on Wednesday. Take care.